truck in a farmer's field, a no trespass sign, time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt, so what's the big deal? Somebody truck in a farmer's field, somebody beer sitting on ice after a long hard day, makes it taste just right.